Hello guys, I'm Harrison. I'm studying in Bharati International School, but I'm going to teach you how to solve first phase of Rubik's cube. Okay, I'm going to shuffle this is my Rubik's cube, and I'm going to shuffle it. Okay. Okay, I finished shuffling. Now, you can test my timing. How much time I'm going to do? Okay, just wait. I'll go and take I'm going to take my iPhone and going to show you in how many seconds I can do this. I said hi. Sorry guys. Okay, I'm going to solve green. Wait, let me check. Yeah, I'm going to solve green. Stop. Finish guys. Now I'm going to show you. This is okay. Now I'm going to show you the time. I got 00.29.7. Repeat again. 0.29.7. Thank you. Have a nice day.